In this lockdown, we all are getting ample time to spend with our children. और हम सभी ये चाहते हैं कि हम अपने बच्चों के साथ इस टाइम को एंजॉय भी करें और साथ ही साथ उनकी कुछ लर्निंग भी हो पाए. So hello everyone, it's Priyanka from my channel MAPA and Me by PG. और आज हम लिस्ट डाउन करने वाले हैं ऐसी 10 मूवीज which you and your children are surely going to enjoy while watching. और उन मूवीज के साथ मैं स्टेट करने वाली हूँ few activities which will actually lead to learning.
So the very first movie is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, which is about Willy Wonka and his factory and about 5 children who gets a chance to visit the factory. So the various activity which we can do with our children are asking them to write about their favorite characters, asking them to draw the golden ticket, explain about it, or even developing mathematical problems based on the chocolates theme. The next movie is Life of Pi, which is a very adventurous movie and it is very useful if your child is really interested in animals and adventures. So the various activities which we can perform here are: ask your child to gather information about his favorite animals. You can also ask him what he could have done if he was stuck in the ocean. And at the end, you can draw some cards explaining the different events and ask your child to put that in sequence. This will help him to learn sequencing. And the next is Dumbo, which is about a baby elephant who performs in circus to meet his mother. So we can ask children to tell about their favorite performer, then which type of circus would they have created, and also we can ask them to write a review for the movie. So the next movie is Moana, where we can ask children to explore more about aquatic animals and their lives and to gain knowledge about pirates, and we can design quizzes asking them questions about aquatic animals. So this way we have many interesting movies like Narnia, then we have Stuart Little, which is a story of a little mouse, and then we have Baby's Day Out, which is a very interesting movie to watch. Next is The Jungle Book, which is of course Akka Mowgli. Then we have Frozen, which is definitely the favorite of many, and then Honey, We Shrunk Our Kids, which have many other parts also. So this way we can have many such activities like character sketch, we can make them draw and also perform plays where we can use props, they can write about their favorite scene, drama, have dialogue writing, they can design quiz, comic strips and write the story in their own words. They can also include the craft work, and you can ask them to list the characters and highlight their characteristics, and you can relate all these movies to their curriculum also, where you can actually put up some concepts. You can also design math sums based on these themes and other activities which will teach them about environment, and also plan innovative games.
So these were the 10 movies, and these are mixture of old and new, so that we as well as our children both enjoy watching them. And the activities stated and also the activities mentioned at the end can be modified according to the age of your child. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपका बच्चा बहुत छोटा है तो आप जस्ट उससे ड्राइंग करा सकते हैं या खुद ड्रॉ करके दे सकते हैं. ही इज कलरिंग, जस्ट राइट द नेम्स ऑफ द कैरेक्टर्स बिलो. एंड इफ ही इज मच ओल्डर तो आप उसको मूवी रिव्यू लिखने को बोल सकते हैं, या फिर हिज फेवरेट कैरेक्टर और अदर एक्टिविटीज विच आर मेंशन्ड. So with this I end my video here. I hope you liked it. Please do not forget to share your experience in the comment section. So you can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook at @MAPA and Me by PG. And do not forget to subscribe my channel if you are new to it. So stay tuned for more such videos. May you have a great day ahead. Be safe, be secure. Thank you so much for watching.